Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a real checkbox input and linking a label. This gives you a reliable state to target. Once the checkbox exists, make sure it's in the DOM order that CSS can select from, typically before the element you want to style. If you need to target a parent, consider progressive enhancement with has where available. Otherwise, keep the controlled element as a sibling or descendant. This foundation avoids brittle JS hacks and relies on CSS cascade and state semantics. Now you author the actual CSS rules that react to the checkbox state. Use input, checked combined with adjacent plus or general sibling, tilde, selectors to change the target's properties, for example, transform, opacity, display, or max height transitions. Once done, tune transitions and hardware-friendly properties to keep animations smooth. Make sure you limit layout thrashing properties, prefer transform and opacity. If your layout requires parent-aware changes, progressively add has. Finish by polishing accessibility and fallback behavior so your check-driven UI works everywhere. You should test keyboard toggling, focus styles, and area states to ensure users can operate the control without a mouse. If an older browser lacks required selectors, add a tiny script to toggle a class as a fallback. This preserves behavior without rewriting styles. If something breaks, first confirm the checkbox isn't display, none. Verify selector specificity and DOM order, then adjust or add a JS fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.